What if the cheap mountain bike you've been ignoring could actually make you a better rider than the expensive one? Yeah, let that sink in. Because here's the dirty little secret no one talks about. Hardtails don't make you worse. They make you sharper. No rear suspension, no safety net. Just you, the trail, and your skill. They force real body control, real line choice, real awareness. And today, I'm counting down 5 hardtail mountain bikes that prove you don't need a squishy rear end to have a seriously good time on the trail. Let's ride. Number 5. The Marin Pine Mountain 2. This is the bike for riders who can't decide. Do you want to shred trails or disappear into the backcountry for 3 days? The answer is yes. The steel frame is the star here. It rides smoother than most aluminum hardtails. It takes the edge off trail chatter. It feels planted, calm, composed, and the mount points? They're everywhere. Bags, bottles, racks. If you're into bike packing, this thing is basically begging for an adventure. The 12-speed drivetrain punches above its weight. Crisp shifts, solid range, no drama. But let's be real, it's not light. You'll feel that on long climbs. And the stock tires? They're fine, not aggressive. Still, if you care more about versatility than podium finishes, this bike quietly does almost everything. Well, not flashy, just dependable. Number 4, the Norco Torrent A1. Now we're getting aggressive. This bike wants speed, it wants rough terrain, it wants to send it. The geometry is long, slack, confident. Point it downhill and it feels stable, like it's daring you to let off the brakes. Shimano Diore 12-speed handles business. Wide range, smooth shifts. Climbing is better than you'd expect for something this downhill focused. But here's the catch. Some of the build choices feel budget. It's like the frame is ready to party, but a few components didn't get the memo. And on mellow, flowy trails, it can feel like overkill. Still, if you love charging rough descents and don't mind upgrading a part or two later, this thing has serious potential. Number 3. The Ibis DV9. This one is all about speed. Lightweight carbon frame, quick acceleration, sharp handling, you hit the pedals, and it goes. Climbing feels almost effortless. It genuinely rivals cross-country race bikes. On smooth single track, it's precise, snappy, dialed, but carbon has a personality. You feel more of the trail, more feedback, more chatter on rough descents. That means you need good technique, loose arms, smart line choice. This isn't the most forgiving bike here, but if you're an experienced rider who values efficiency and razor-sharp response, few hardtails climb like this. Number 2. The Rocky Mountain Growler. This is where things get rowdy, long, slack, enduro-inspired geometry. On steep descents, it feels almost unfair. You forget you're on a hardtail. It's stable at speed, confidence-inspiring, borderline ridiculous in the best way. The aggressive tires back it up. Grip for days. But that long wheelbase? In tight technical sections, you'll work for it. Switchbacks take effort. Climbing techie terrain requires precision. And during testing, component reliability was a bit mixed. Still, if your idea of fun is bombing rough descents and seeing how fast you can hold it together, this bike rewards commitment. And number 1, the Commencal Meta HT AM. This one nails something rare. True versatility. The geometry hits a sweet spot. Aggressive enough to feel confident at speed. Playful enough for tight technical trails. It doesn't feel one-dimensional. It feels alive. The build kit is where it really shines. Thanks to the consumer direct model, you're getting components that would normally cost way more. Climbing feels efficient. Descending feels rowdy. And overall, it just makes you want to keep riding. Are the plus-size tires the fastest rolling? No. Do mellow trails feel slightly tame? Sometimes. But if you want one hardtail that handles almost everything with a grin on your face, this is the smartest, most well-rounded pick right now. So there it is. 5 hardtails. 5 totally different personalities. Adventure machine, aggressive charger, lightweight climber, rowdy descender, do-it-all fun machine. The real question is, Which one fits your riding style? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped you figure out your next bike, hit subscribe for more honest, no BS mountain bike breakdowns. Because sometimes, less suspension means more skill. And that's where the real fun starts.